here outside the station. Going to walk to our breakfast spot. It's about 9:29 in the morning, Monday. About an 8-minute walk, and then we'll be there for breakfast. So let's see the weather of the day. Looking at a peachy 85 degrees Fahrenheit. Oh, feels like 93 with the humidity. Not too bad, not too bad. So hopefully we'll get in there. Not too warm right now, it's not too long of a walk. The train is cooled, so. But it'll be nice to cool down, eat. I'm hungry, my stomach's just empty. Made it, the Jolie cafeteria. I don't know why I keep calling it Jolly.
There you go.
We just ordered, I got a rice bowl with bacon, I want to believe, and she got a bacon carbonara pasta. A little different for breakfast, but we also both got frappes. You got a caramel macchiato, and I got an Oreo one, so should be pretty good. This place is pretty nice, cozy, cool, got some vibes.
Breakfast.
We just finished up breakfast. It was about 615 baht for everything, frappes included, so about 17 USD. Now we're headed back to the train to see what other adventures we can get into.
And for everyone saying that I need to eat more than pineapple, I ate a whole thing of pasta. Well, not a whole thing, about 3/4 thing of pasta. So I'm eating more than just fruit.
There's the MRT. Hopefully there's a trash in there. Taking the train, MRT. Favorite place, 7-Eleven. Got some little TP, water, Gatorade, and 2 Band-Aids for 100 baht, and they gave us a stamp. Not sure what a 7-Eleven stamp entitles yet. I've seen someone use one before. I'll have to look it up. Yeah, 'cause that's our second stamp. We'll have to look that up. And everything we bought at 7-Eleven was 100 baht. Some Gatorade. Finally, we've been looking all over for this to get some little hydration in our systems.
Tastes like Blue Blast.
Oh yeah. Metro Mall in here. Interesting in this station. This art's cool. Found a little art gallery type thing inside the train station. There's so much cool art stuff here. All the walls. This little guy. All in this train station that everyone just doesn't seem to be looking at other than us. We're at another different station we've never been to. We just looked at the art stuff that was there, and now I'm not really sure what's Union Mall. We're supposed to be going to Jodd's Fair. I don't know how we got all into what's going on over here. Busy though. Union Mall's here. I hope so. That's the way I'm going. Oh, it's my classic looking car. Whoa.
Oh, I did the same thing.
I didn't notice there was a step. I wasn't looking. All sorts of little shops, vendors.
I want to go through. Lord, we could have just come here.
Yeah, this is like its own little thing in itself. We should be coming up on Jodd's Fair. It should be up here on the right somewhere. Very busy, lots of buildings around here.
Music.
Ooh, Toyota dealership. We made it to Jodd's Fair. All right. First stop is some pineapple juice, it looks like, for 25 baht. So yeah, we got our pineapple juice,
So good.
frozen, 25 baht. Not too bad for our first little, oh, you're getting a drink.
Yeah, it's a bit frozen.
That's all right, at least it'll be cold for longer once
It's
you...
really good. And it'll keep us cool.
Oh yeah.
So good.
Got some good pineapples. Those are so sweet.
Pizza.
Bozo Pizza and Cafe. Got candied strawberries.
Oh my god, they're like hard on the outside.
Yeah, it like dries quite fast.
Oh, the outside is good.
And these were 60 baht.
Oh my lord.
Good.
You wanna buy it?
All right, now I'm gonna try a candy strawberry.
So good.
With the castle in the background. The strawberry's good. The sweetness of the crunch of like the sugar.
Oh my god. It's like melts in your mouth.
Good stuff here. Currently going up the castle at Jodd's Fair. top. Getting some fried chicken. Just frying it up. So I got my fried chicken. This was 99 baht. Made it back after a long day, tired, and it's like 8 p.m. By the time I went to bed yesterday, I woke up at like 5. Still work in progress, you know, sleep schedule, but it's a pretty fun day. Ate some good food, drank some good drink, and now time to shower, get off the sweat, and hit the hay and do it all again tomorrow.
Oh yeah.